Good evening from Japan. So tonight I'm going to be ticking something off my bucket list that I've always wanted to do, and that's to attend a JDM car meet here in Tokyo. The cars are pulling in now, so let's go check this place out. So I caught wind of this meet in this place just a couple of days ago and I had to come and check it out. I mean, getting the information, finding out about these things is quite challenging, and then finding the place on top of that is challenging. But I'm so happy to be here. So I wasn't really sure if there was going to be much happening here tonight. It's actually raining, which is kind of a bummer, but there's still, everyone is coming out, showing up, which is great. There's lots of cars here, more than I expected. I honestly wasn't sure if I was just going to be coming to an empty car park, but you can see there's a lot around here and it's awesome to see. So we're going to hang out for a while and see if more cars come in, and I'm just enjoying walking around and looking at all these cars. This place is really cool. It's just a big car park, and if you can see, we're surrounded by a loop of highways. So when the cars are all coming down here, you can hear them screaming down this loop. But it's just an awesome place, big open area. Yeah. There's a couple of convenience stores around here, bathrooms. This is a good place to be able to hang out for most of the night, and it doesn't look like it's somewhere that you're going to get bothered by police or anyone coming to shut it down. So it's just after 10 o'clock now. It's a Friday night, and I'm not sure, I've no idea how long this is going to go for. It seems like there's people leaving all the time, there's people coming in half the time. You can hear the cars, people ripping around and showing off their cars. It's so cool here.
No, just focus on that.
So it's just before midnight now, and people are still rolling in. Every now and then you'll see people jump in their cars and they go off for a little run around these highways and then come back. But there's still constantly cars piling in here. Let me show you some of my favorites. This place is just near Yokohama. We're actually out on a little island, which is perfect because, as I said before, we're in amongst all this highway, but you're so far away from everybody that no one around here is gonna complain or have any problems with this being here. And I guess that's how they get away with it all the time.